Let me tell you something nobody talks about in the drone industry. Right now, as I speak, there are thousands of drones in air, inspecting bridges, mapping farms, monitoring disaster zones, fighting fires. But here's the thing, each drone is flying blind. Each location has its own system. Each organization invents the wheel from scratch. There's no unified battlefield, no central intelligence, no way to see the full picture until today. Let me introduce you to something different, something built for human beings by people who actually understand what enterprise software means. This is DroneSurvey. It's not a feature, it's not a dashboard with just buttons, it's a system, an ecosystem, a revolution wrapped in thoughtful design. Look at this screen right now, it's showing you the truth. Two active missions happening simultaneously, different locations, same command center, two drones, for ready for deployment, standing by, waiting, ready to serve. 1900 hours of accumulated flight experience. That's not just a number. That's institutional knowledge. That's trust built through repetition. Four global sites: San Francisco, New York, Tokyo, four time zones, you can say, but one unified vision. But here's what matters: SF warehouse inspection, 73% complete, 12 minutes remaining. This is not a spreadsheet entry. This is not a data from yesterday. This is right now. This is very important. Real time, live, breathing. And notice something beautiful. There are controls like pause, resume, abort. Three simple options that give operators complete trust in the system. Because that's what enterprise software is really about, not fancy features. Trust. Now let's talk about the foundation, the army behind every mission. In traditional operations, you'd have spreadsheets, Excel files, information from yesterday, lost efficiency, guesswork. We said no to that. Here's your entire fleet, not scattered across departments, not hidden in databases, right here, visible, accountable, real. Currently, you can see drone 1 in mission. See here. You can see different missions over here. In the dashboard page, you can see actual what are the drones that are in mission. Let us say drone 1 is in the mission with 85% battery, 4K camera, maximum altitude of 400 feet. This is transparency. This is knowing at a glance where your assets are and what they are capable of. And what about drone 2? Yeah, I'm just randomly telling it. Drone 2 has the same story. In mission, ready to perform. Uh, these others, they're available, waiting, ready to be deployed. This is what billion-dollar companies do. They know their assets, they track them, they trust them. We built this in days, but we built it like it was meant to last for years. But here's where it gets real. This is the monitoring center. This is where operations become commanders, where humans make decisions that matter. Look at this mission. SF warehouse inspection 73% complete. What you're looking at is not a refresh from 30 seconds ago, not from 5 minutes ago. It's completely real time. Every second, every frame, every decision counted. And here's the beautiful architecture. See the buttons. Pause. If something goes wrong, weather changes, unexpected obstacle, equipment malfunction, the drone doesn't panic. It doesn't crash. It hovers, it waits, it's safe. Resume. The conditions clear. The mission's continuous. Back to work. Abort. Emergency protocol. The drone returns home, automatic, protective, you're never out of control. This is not just a technology, this is responsibility. And notice something else. The ETA 12 minutes, the system knows moment by moment how long until this mission completes. That's that's real-time completion. That's real-time calculation. That's predictive intelligence working invisibly in the background. This is what separates a good software from a great software. Good software does what you ask. Great software anticipates what you need. Now you might ask, is this just a dashboard? No, this is where the data transforms into wisdom. You can see here, read the numbers slowly. 47 surveys completed, not this month, not this week, cumulative, proven, tested, 89% average coverage. That means out of every 100 square meters inspected, 89 are captured in perfect detail. That's enterprise-grade quality. 94% success rate when the DroneSurvey launches a mission, 94 out of 100 times it completes exactly as it planned. That's not luck. That's engineering. That's care. 156 kilometers flown. Think about that 156 kilometers. That's farther than driving from San Francisco to San Jose. Times a dozen. And all coordinated, all tracked, and all safe. 38 minutes average duration. Not slow, not fast, optimized. Each mission takes exactly as long as it needs to. They aren't random metrics. These are fingerprints of the system that work. And here it where it gets advanced. AI intelligence. Every mission gets analyzed, not by a human who's tired after 8 hours, by Claude, by machine learning, by systems that find patterns humans can't see. Anomaly detection, battery degradation, signal loss, weather changes, the system spots it first. The root cause analysis, when something fails, the system doesn't say failure, it says, here's why, here's what to do differently next time. And optimization, the system learns, every mission makes it smarter, every flight path informs the next one. This is not AI replacing humans, this is AI amplifying human judgment, giving operators superpowers. The philosophy why this matters. You know what separates companies that dominate their markets from companies that fade away? It's not the features. It's not having the most buttons or the fanciest animations. It's thinking. Real thinking about the real problems, real architectures that scales, real safety that protects, a real design that respects the humans using it. We built DroneSurvey. We designed it to scale to 10,000 concurrent missions, not just to support 1,000 plus organizations, not just one single company, manage 50,000 plus drones across the planet, not just handful. And we didn't cut corners. We built lean. We chose technologies that matter. React for UI, that's responsive and modern. Supabase for real-time enterprise-grade database. And lovable.dev because we understood the future of development is AI augmented, not AI replaced. And we banked in safety from day one. That is geofencing, the drones respect boundaries, battery thresholds, auto return home at 20%, altitude enforcement, regulatory compliance for each region, and signal loss and different other steps too. Everything you have seen today, everything that has impressed you, this is the act of DroneSurvey. Autonomous mission planning, and the user draws a polygon on a map, AI analyzes terrain, AI generates optimal flight paths, and the automatic, all these are coming in the phase two. Weather integration, real-time weather API, system auto aborts if conditions deteriorate, your drones never fly into danger. Swarm control, not 2 drones, not 20 drones, 100 drones coordinating simultaneously like a choreographed dance. One command center, infinite capability. And in the phase 3, we may have live video streaming, web RTC, from the drones to your command center, see what your drones see in real time, immersive, thermal imaging, detect temperature anomalies, and many other systems. Going this, we have planned until phase 4, phase 5, phase 6, each one having its own fine features that will make DroneSurvey a next level business. Actually, not just a business, an enterprise level company. Let the final words resonate. I want you to understand something. We didn't just build a software, we built a philosophy. A philosophy that says great ideas matter more than perfect implementation. A philosophy that says scaling is an architecture decision, not a band-aid applied later. A philosophy that also says real safety comes from thinking, not from compliance checklists. The future belongs to the systems that respect human judgment, not the systems that replace it. DroneSurvey is that system. It is the foundation. It is the vision. It is the future. And we have only just begun. And this is DroneSurvey. This is by Balivada Tarun Sandelia. Thank you very much.